Hey guys, this is a new toy. It's a Tyrannosaurus. It's a dinosaur. It's a water creature. And let's see on the back. It's a Dino Escape song, and it says high recognition. And there's a button for it's a neck to attack. And there's a Dilophosaurus. And Styracosaurus and Mosaicus. Hope I'm saying that right. And this is the Fierce Force Tyrannosaurus. Okay, let's open it now. There's blue right there. Now let's open it. Come on. Come on. Come on. How do you even cut this? Oh. I did not get one. Come. Let's see. Oh, hey. Oh, wait, hold on. I need to stand up my phone. Go. I need to press down. Hold on. Okay. You can hopefully see this now. And here it is. And let's go take it out to the kitchen. And here's this Tyrannosaurus. And look at it. And wow. And there's the code. If you want to skin the dino, they added some whiter blue here. They painted the eyes yellow. They painted the darker blue here. And then it's just here. Then more here. And there's more light blue, like stripes here. And then more darker blue, and they added it on the tail. It's fully painted on the tail, and they did paint the claws. And I like how they painted the face and inside of this. Okay, let's do the features and let's do the action feature and some move joints. Okay, so you can move the head, can move the neck, And can also do this. Move the legs, even this, and even the mouth to open so wide. Wait. And let's do the picture now. And there's a paper that could tag us. That's how we do it. And also, do we have any more? We have the Plesiosaurus. We also have a Plesiosaurus. Let's see if we can find it. Nope, it's not here. And this is pretty cool. Thanks for watching, guys.